Welcome guys. On this video I am going to show you guys how to earn money in TikTok by just letting your friend scan your barcode and you'll be able to make money. Now this feature is not available for everyone. It is actually selected, and also it is invite only, and not just that, it depends on your region. Now this has been confirmed for US and UK TikTokers to have this available on them. Now, if you have this available on your TikTok, now how do you know? You don't manually apply, you might not see it on your dashboard, but then while you are scrolling TikTok, just like this, you are going to see an invitation that says get your friend to scan your code and receive up to $50 of TikTok reward. This is very easy, but there is no manual way to apply it, and there is no specific qualification reward. So this is also still in testing phase, and even when I saw this post myself, I clicked on it and it says activity is still in testing. We will soon it will soon be available to all users. Stay tuned. There are selective people that only have this available to them, so they will be earning money by making use of this feature, but this is not available for everyone yet. So let me know if you already have this available and enabled. But for my own case, I do not have it, but I just want to share it with you guys. And yes, this is real, and also this is really on TikTok. You can clearly see my screen. So I was just scrolling the screen and I saw this and I asked about it, and yes, it's real, so I decided to share it with you guys. All right, let me know if you're actually making money with TikTok by scanning your QR code. All right guys, see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace.